Hi everyone, welcome back to class. In this lesson, you are going to learn how to make numbers to 10 from two parts. If you follow the previous lesson, when you see a numeral, hold up the correct number of fingers. Are you ready? Let's go. I want you to show this. Good. Show this. And this. Show the correct number of fingers to represent this number. And what about this? That's good. Now let's help the cats choose where to sleep. Let's start with them both in the blue bed. Then move them across to the pink bed, one at a time. This is one way to keep track of your ideas. These markings represent this. This marking represents this. This marking represents this. Let's help the dogs choose where to sleep. Can you remember the plan that helped us the last time with the cat? Can you remember? Pictures can take a long time to draw, so you could make marks instead. This marking represents this. This marking represents this. This marking represents this. This marking represents this. Where can we put the fish when we clean the fish tank? We could write numbers to show how many fish were in each bowl. Look at this one. It represents this picture. We have 4 fish here and 0 here. So the remaining marking represents how we can make the number in 2 parts. We can put 3 fish here and 1 here. We can put 2 fish here and the other 2 here. We can put 1 fish here and 3 here. We can put none here and 4 here. Look at another picture. We can use drawings, symbols, or numbers to show our learning. It shows 2 rabbits, one in the cage and another one is outside. We can also use objects. How many different ways can you find to feed the pets? Look at all of the possibilities. This marking represents this. This marking represents this. This marking represents this. These markings represent this. And the last one, this marking represent this. Now, look at this picture. Can you spot the odd one out? We have 3 pets. One is in one of the cages and the other 2 are in the other cage. That is 1 and 2 parts. 1 and 2 are parts. So any of these markings that doesn't represent 1 and 2 are parts is the odd one. Now, can you spot the odd one out? This one. What about this picture? Can you spot the odd one out? This one is the odd one. Why? Because on the pictures there are 2 lizards in each box. That's very good. What about this? The statement states that these are all of the ways that 3 can be made from 2 whole parts. Do you agree? Do you agree with that statement? If you say yes, you are not wrong. But there is one more way, and here is it. And that will be all for this lesson on how to make numbers to 10 from 2 parts. Now, you can make a number up to 10 from 2 parts using objects. You can make a number up to 10 from 2 parts using images. You can use a whole to parts module. You can work systematically to find all the possibilities. Don't forget, when you are making a number up to 2 parts, the whole one will be there. The other parts are the one making up the whole numbers. That's the reason why when we had 4, the other parts could be 1 and 3, 2 and 2, 0 and 4. They're the other parts that make up 4. Okay, let's meet again in the other lesson. Goodbye.